Hittorf method and transport numbers.
Or it can also called as Hittorf theoretical device. By using this method, we can calculate transport number of each ion. First see, each ion in electrolytic cell move with different speed. Each ion having its mobilities different. Migration of each ion towards its oppositely charged electrode is different. Ions, even it's having different speed, it can discharge to each electrode is same. Suppose in this electrolyte, 2 electrodes are there. In this electrode, electrolytic solution consisting positive and negative ions. Even these ions are having different speed, it can move towards electrodes, oppositely charged electrodes will be same number of ions present at this electrode and this electrode.
Hittorf is a scientist who constructed this theoretical device to explain the discharge of ions towards electrons. See, in this vessel, it consisting of electrolytic solution and electrodes. Anode, cathode. Anode consisting positive charge, cathode consisting negative charge, and it divided these into 3 parts. The solution which nearly anode, it is anodic compartment, nearly cathode, cathodic compartment, central compartment, it is at the middle. And here 4 parts or 4 cases. In first case, the solution before electrolysis. Before electrolysis, the central compartment consisting 6 anions, 6 cations, total 6 pairs. Both anodic compartment and cathodic compartment consisting 4 pairs each. Before electrolysis. Next, case 2. After electrolysis, if only anions are capable to migrate towards anode. And see here, after moving anions from here to here, the number of pairs will be here 2 and here 1, 2, 3, 4 pairs. And remaining unpaired electrons, here anions 2, here cations 2. So therefore number of ions present at cathode and anodes are equal. Number of unpaired ions are equal. Even ions move with different speed. In third case, only 2 cations are migrated. Here 4 cations are there. In third case, if 2 cations are migrated towards oppositely charged electrode, then here 4 anions and here also 4 cations. Total number of ions will be equal. Next, last case, here 2 cations and 1 anion is migrated. Here 2 cations are there which will be migrated towards this negatively charged cathode, and next 1 anion which is migrated towards oppositely charged anode. Total number of ions are here is 7 and here total number of unpaired ions are 7. Therefore, different speed of ions, it's showing same number of ions at each electrode. This is explained by Hittorf theoretical method. According to Faraday first law of electrolysis, number of ions discharged to its oppositely charged electrode is directly proportional to amount of electricity passed through the solution. Means how many number of ions will be discharged, that much electricity will be produced through the solution. Therefore, quantity of electricity directly proportional to sum of mobility of ions. Sum means cation mobility and anion mobility. It is directly proportional to quantity of its electricity produced. Next, what is transport number? Transport number is nothing but total fraction of current carried by each ion. Each ion possessing current is called its transport number. Therefore, transport number of cation is equal to T place, it represented with the T place, is equal to current carried by cation by total current. Same for anions. Transport number of each anion is equal to current carried by anion by total current. But current carried is directly proportional to mobility of ions. Means current carried by each ion is directly proportional to its mobility. It depends on its mobility. Therefore, for cation, transport number is equal to mobility of cation by total mobility of cation plus anion. Same for anions. Transport number of anion is equal to mobility of anion by mobility of cation plus anion, total mobility. So sum of the transport number always will be equal to 1. That is, transport number of cation plus transport number of anion will be equal to 1. If we calculate mobility of cation, we can calculate transport number for cation or vice versa. Mobility of cation is also directly proportional to fall of concentration around anode, and mobility of anion directly proportional to fall of concentration around cathode. That means if cations are moving from anode to cathode, the concentration around anode will be decreased, and here the anions are moving from cathode to anode, the concentration around cathode will be decreased due to number of ions decreased. For mobility of cations decrease concentration around anode, and mobility of anions which decreasing concentration around cathode. Therefore mobility of cations by mobility of anions is equal to mobility of cation can be represented with U plus, and mobility of anions represented with U minus is equal to fall of concentration around anode and fall of concentration around cathode. Sorry, it is cathode. Next, transport number of cation is equal to mobility of cation by mobility of cation plus anion, which is equal to cation can be equal to fall in concentration around anode by total fall in concentration around cathode and anode. Next, similarly, transport number for anion is equal to mobility of anion by total mobility of anion plus cation, which is equal to fall of concentration around cathode by total fall of concentration. And here transport number can also be determined by equivalent conductance, because here equivalent conductance or molar conductance. Here equivalent conductance is directly proportional to mobility of ions. Due to mobility of ions can conduct electricity, and here due to mobility of these ions it can conduct this electricity. And here from Colas law, total electrical conductance, equivalent conductance or molar conductance will be equal to molar conductance or equivalent conductance at infinite dilution. For transport number of cation will be equal to mobility of cation by total mobility of cation plus anion, which is equal to equivalent conductance at infinite dilution by total equivalent conductance at infinite dilution. Similarly, for transport number of anions mobility by total mobility cation plus anion, which is equal to equivalent conductance or molar conductance at infinite dilution.